I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle. My bicycle is red and black. My bicycle is red and black. I like riding my bicycle. I like riding my bicycle. I ride my bicycle almost every day. I ride my bicycle almost every day. Riding a bike is my hobby. Riding a bike is my hobby. It is also good for health. It is also good for health. I ride my bicycle in the morning or evening. I ride my bicycle in the morning or evening. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I take a bottle of water. I take a bottle of water. I also take my phone. I also take my phone. I go outside with my bicycle. I go outside with my bicycle. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I sit on my bicycle. I sit on my bicycle. I put my feet on the pedals. I put my feet on the pedals. I start to ride slowly. I start to ride slowly. The road is quiet. The road is quiet. I feel free when I ride. I feel free when I ride. The wind touches my face. The wind touches my face. I ride along the street. I ride along the street. I see houses and cars. I see houses and cars. I ride past the park. I ride past the park. I see children playing football. I see children playing football. I ride near the river. I ride near the river. The water is blue and calm. The water is blue and calm. I stop and look at the river. I stop and look at the river. I take a photo with my phone. I take a photo with my phone. On the road I see a friend. On the road I see a friend. His name is Alex. His name is Alex. He also has a bicycle. He also has a bicycle. We ride together for some time. We ride together for some time. We talk and laugh. We talk and laugh. We ride to the park. We ride to the park. The park is green and big. The park is green and big. We ride on small paths. We ride on small paths. We see people walking with dogs. We see people walking with dogs. We ride near the fountain. We ride near the fountain. The water is very beautiful. The water is very beautiful. We stop and drink water. We stop and drink water. Then we ride again. Then we ride again. I feel happy in the park. I feel happy in the park. I ride faster and faster. I ride faster and faster. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. My friend rides behind me. My friend rides behind me. I feel strong and free. I feel strong and free. We ride around the park 2 times. We ride around the park 2 times. It is fun and exciting. It is fun and exciting. After 1 hour, we stop. After 1 hour, we stop. We are a little tired. We are a little tired. We say goodbye to each other. We say goodbye to each other. My friend rides home. My friend rides home. I also ride home. I also ride home. The street is quiet in the evening. The street is quiet in the evening. I see lights in the windows. I see lights in the windows. I ride slowly now. I ride slowly now. I think about my nice day. I think about my nice day. I come to my house. I come to my house. I stop my bicycle. I stop my bicycle. I open the door and go inside. I open the door and go inside. I put my bicycle near the wall. I put my bicycle near the wall. I drink some water. I drink some water. I feel happy and relaxed. I feel happy and relaxed. I love riding my bicycle very much. I love riding my bicycle very much.